Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Roozoo Youth Dirt Bike Helmet. Certified, full-face motorcycle helmet, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Certified protection. Roozoo Youth Motocross helmets meet strict DOT FMVSS-218 safety standards with high-impact ABS shell and dense EPS foam liner, featuring soft non-irritating inner padding for reliable off-road protection. Efficient airflow design. Strategic top and chin vents create direct airflow to key cooling zones. Adjustable angle sun visor blocks 99% UV rays while maintaining full peripheral vision. Ultralight 2.38 pounds design. Engineered for young riders at just 1080 grams, 20% lighter than competitors. Anatomical padding distributes weight evenly to prevent neck strain during long rides. Quick release safety. Easy one-hand release buckle. Features removable breathable liner with sweat-wicking fabric, water washable for lasting freshness. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.